Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you the process of a work permit here in Vietnam. So today I went to the police station and the headquarters to go get my police check. And so it's 200,000 VND for your police check. And then I also went to get my health check. So in this video, you're going to see the health check and you're going to see the police check. Those are two of the vital steps to get your work permit to stay here in Vietnam. So I did that today. And then, so in this video, you're going to see that process. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Alright guys, so in order to get your work permit, you need to come to a health clinic and get a checkup. So that's where I'm at. So we're gonna go up to the 5th floor and we're gonna go ahead and handle this. So first we're gonna do this. Next, ultrasound. Just got done with my ultrasound. Okay, now it's time to take a pee. Fourth floor. Next, check the teeth. Next, the human ear. The eyes next. I hope you're enjoying this video. Hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more content here in Vietnam. And you walk this way. Alright, so this is the Hall of Justice, the Department of Justice right here. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This process, it takes a long time. So if you decide to go there by yourself, then make sure that you have a translator with you, someone that can translate for you, and then someone that can just make the process more smooth for you. So I've been living here 4 years, so it's even difficult for me as well. So today I waited about 3 hours. So, and I still didn't get it finished. Hit that like button. Make sure that you subscribe for more content in Vietnam and more of the process about teaching here in Vietnam.